Prepare to embark on an awe-inspiring journey that will transport you beyond the confines of our planet. In this captivating video, witness a vision of humanity's future as we unveil the extraordinary concept of the Lagrange colonies. Brace yourself for a mind-bending exploration of space habitats nestled in the delicate equilibrium of Lagrange points, where dreams of interstellar civilizations become tantalizingly close to reality. Get ready to have your imagination ignited and your sense of wonder ignited like never before. Welcome to the extraordinary world of the Lagrange colonies. The Lagrange colonies, also known as Lagrange Points colonies or L5 colonies, refer to hypothetical space habitats that could potentially be established at the Lagrange points of a celestial body's orbit. Lagrange points are specific locations in space where the gravitational forces of two larger objects, such as a planet and its moon or a planet and the sun, balance the centrifugal force felt by a smaller object. The Lagrange points are named after the Italian-French mathematician Joseph Louis Lagrange, who discovered these stable equilibrium points in the late 18th century. There are 5 Lagrange points in total, labeled L1 to L5. The most commonly considered points for colonization are L4 and L5, which are located ahead of and behind the smaller celestial body in its orbit. Constructing large space habitats. The concept of Lagrange colonies involves constructing large space habitats at these Lagrange points, utilizing the relatively stable gravitational environment to maintain their positions. These habitats could serve as potential locations for human settlement, scientific research, and other activities in space. The Lagrange colonies have been proposed as a way to overcome certain challenges of space exploration and colonization. By leveraging the stable gravitational conditions, these habitats could provide a relatively stable environment for long-duration stays, potentially allowing for the establishment of self-sustaining ecosystems. Additionally, the proximity to celestial bodies offers opportunities for resource utilization and exploration. While the idea of Lagrange colonies remains largely theoretical and speculative at this point, it represents one of the many potential avenues for future human activities in space. As our understanding of space exploration and technology advances, the concept of establishing colonies at Lagrange points may become more feasible and could play a role in expanding our presence beyond Earth. How are we going to colonize the Lagrange colonies? Colonizing the Lagrange colonies would involve a complex and multi-step process that would require advanced technological capabilities and significant resources. While the specifics may vary depending on the mission and objectives, here's a general outline of how the colonization of the Lagrange colonies might be approached. Feasibility studies. Feasibility studies play a crucial role in the colonization efforts of the Lagrange colonies. These comprehensive studies involve assessing a wide range of factors to determine the viability and potential benefits of establishing colonies at Lagrange points. Researchers and experts would analyze various aspects, including the availability of resources such as water, minerals, and energy sources in the vicinity of the Lagrange points. They would also evaluate the environmental conditions, radiation levels, and the long-term effects of microgravity on human health. Habitat design and construction. Habitat design and construction would be a critical aspect of colonizing the Lagrange colonies. These habitats would need to provide a livable and self-sustaining environment for humans in space. Engineers and architects would collaborate to design structures that could withstand the harsh conditions of space, including temperature fluctuations, radiation exposure, and microgravity. These habitats would require advanced life support systems to provide breathable air, water, and nutrition for the inhabitants. Radiation shielding would be crucial to protect against solar and cosmic radiation. Launching and assembly. Launching and assembly play crucial roles in the colonization of the Lagrange colonies, representing significant engineering challenges and intricate logistics. To establish these colonies, various components and supplies would be launched into space using powerful rockets. These components could include living modules, laboratories, power systems, and life support infrastructure. Once in space, meticulous planning and precision would be required to assemble these components, either in low Earth orbit or directly at the Lagrange point itself. Transportation and logistics. Transportation and logistics play a crucial role in the colonization of the Lagrange colonies. Establishing a robust and efficient transportation system is essential for ferrying supplies, equipment, and personnel to and from these distant locations in space. Specialized spacecraft and vehicles would be developed to navigate the challenges of interplanetary travel and docking at the Lagrange points. Regular resupply missions from Earth would be organized to ensure a steady flow of essential resources, including food, water, air, and spare parts. Advanced logistics strategies would be employed to optimize payload capacity, minimize costs, and streamline operations. Resource utilization. Resource utilization would play a crucial role in the colonization of the Lagrange colonies, ensuring self-sustainability and reducing dependence on Earth for essential supplies. One key resource that could be harnessed is water, which may exist in the form of ice on asteroids or the moons of nearby celestial bodies. Water could be extracted and purified to provide drinking water, oxygen for life support, and hydrogen for fuel production. Solar energy would be another valuable resource, as the Lagrange colonies would have access to uninterrupted sunlight. Scientific research and exploration. Scientific research and exploration would be integral to the colonization of the Lagrange colonies, offering unprecedented opportunities for expanding our knowledge of the universe. Scientists and researchers residing in these colonies would embark on groundbreaking studies, leveraging the unique vantage point and stability of the Lagrange points. They could conduct investigations on a diverse range of subjects, including astronomy, astrophysics, planetary science, and space weather. Expansion and growth. Expansion and growth are vital aspects of colonizing the Lagrange colonies. As initial habitats and infrastructure are established, efforts would be made to expand the colonies, accommodating more people and creating a sustainable and self-sufficient ecosystem. Additional habitats and modules would be constructed, providing living spaces, research facilities, and recreational areas. The development of industries specific to space, such as manufacturing, resource extraction, and space tourism, would contribute to the economic growth and viability of the colonies. As the population grows, a diverse community would emerge, fostering collaboration, innovation, and cultural exchange. As the video on the Lagrange colonies comes to a close, we are left with a sense of wonder and excitement for the possibilities that lie ahead. The vision of humanity spreading its wings and colonizing these distant celestial outposts sparks our imagination and ignites a deep desire for exploration. We are drawn to the beauty of these artificial habitats, orbiting gracefully at the Lagrange points, serving as beacons of human ingenuity and resilience. If you found our video informative, kindly subscribe to our channel or you will miss